Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you guys a new automated feature that allows creators to quickly mint their NFT collection right off Genadrop Creator. So let's head over to the Creator to get started. First, we need to fill in a collection name. Let's call this collection demo. Then, we need to add our layer for our art. So let's add our layer. Now we're done adding layers. So let's upload our art to our layers. Click on Browse File. Go to Background. Upload for skin. Now we have all our art space uploaded to our individual layers. So next we'll make sure that the layers are properly stacked so that our art comes out very well. And to do that, we need to drag the background all the way down. So yeah, we have possible combination of 2916 art piece to generate, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be generating and minting only 100. So we input 100, click on generate collection, and then give it time to generate. As you can see, it's saying preparing 24 number of assets. So we have to give it time to do its thing. And once it's done, we are going straight to the minting from here. Now I'm going to show you how the auto feature works. Very useful for minting. Now it's done generating. So scroll down here on this little preview icon. We'll click on it to go to the preview page. Yeah, this is it. So we can simply, this is our collection name demo. Can put a collection description here, or we can choose not to. So let's just say collection, then IPFS format. We're using IP, we're uploading to IPFS. Then on this button, once we click on this download zip, it's going to automatically download our collection and also take us to the mint page where we immediately mint. Yeah, so you can see here, our collection has been downloaded. It's called demo 7 zip. Okay, and here we can see our collection. Yeah, right off the box. So we have number of assets 100. Yeah, remember we generated 100 from the create app. Then the title is demo. For description, you can say a collection of women in tech, something like that. Yeah. Okay, collection. I'm missing T there. So okay. Add a photo. Let's use this. I think I'm liking it. Then here we'll have to select a blockchain to mint to, and in this case we'll be minting to the Algorand blockchain. So to do that, we click on this drop down, select Algorand, and then it brings up the wallet connect option. We'll click on it, and we're going to scan this QR code using our mobile. Right now I'm on mobile. I just scanned it, and I'm going to connect my Algorand to Genadrop, and also you can see it's connected. It's also telling me I'm on the testnet. You are viewing data from the testnet network, but you're about to switch to the mainnet. No, I don't want to switch. Okay, yeah. So this is my collection, and mint price is 10 algo, and number of assets is 100. Okay, and that is okay by me. So I'm going to list my collection for 1 algo. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to list it for 1 algo, and every other thing is already filled out. So just click on mint. Now it's uploading to IPFX. Once it's done, it's going to show us an option to view either Block Explorer or take us to directly to our dashboard to see our collection. So yeah, so let's wait on it to do a thing, and then we'll continue once it's done. Okay, great. We've successfully minted 100 collection NFT collections. So we can either go to Block Explorer to view it or go to our dashboard. Well, let's go to our dashboard to quickly see it. Yeah, we'll navigate to collections. And here we can see our collection of 100 NFTs minted to Algorand blockchain. Click on it. Yeah, this is it. This is the collection. And can view on Block Explorer to see. Yeah, this is also it is my wallet address, and this is also on Algorand testnet. So that's how to use our auto minting feature on Algorand to mint your NFTs quickly from the Create app. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.